what you do when it's like low pressure, atmosphere pressure, like a snowy day or the it's a raining day. You might have a little bit of smoke outside, but just in the beginning, and then it's fine.
Okay.
Because this also have to change temperature. The chimney inside, when it's changing temperature, it's warming up.
Yeah.
It's gonna go.
Okay. I was using, I think I still have them up there. I was using those things.
Yeah,
and
to
they
clean
stink
it up.
really bad.
So they cleaning up the chimney, right?
Well, I just use that in general.
Oh, just to this.
Just to have the fire, because
okay.
I'm not real good with firewood and all that stuff.
Firewood is
easy.
best, you know.
Yeah.
And today, there's a water coming from our washing machine. I was making our water room
I'm gonna throw this away, okay?
into the flood.
Yeah.
And we're making the flood.
Making a flood.
Yeah, like.
So we have a scissors here. I think this is.
It's garbage.
This is the problem here. I'm gonna cut this off, right? Can I stick it up right there?
I'm sweating.
Yeah, that's enough place to cut it off. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna be like tighter. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's gonna be tight. Yeah, okay. Thank you. And this.
Because you're having fun watching? Right? Yeah, we better get going.
I don't like this thing.
Come get your vitamin.
Okay, to make this stronger, I have to close it more and more. If I knew what we have a problem, then I would bring from the work like a clamp, like with the screw.
Okay,
you
with
know?
the screw, yeah.
So that would be perfect. But now this is better. I want to make sure that this is completely closed. Okay. Okay, that should do. Actually, we can start it like this, open, you know, so we will see what's going on, what will happen, because I want to make sure. Oh, again, I want to make sure that this is not leaking.
Head level over the wall, right?
It's like suspension. So that was leaking a little bit later when there was more water inside. think I know what happened. Okay, so the drum was moving back and forth, and because this metal piece is touching this plastic hose, it just took out. I wonder if this is like extra more, because it needs to have be a little bit more of, you know. Take this out where it should go, right?
Yep.
Oh, you see how this is moving, and because of the hose is touching this metal piece for this suspension, like what, I don't know how to call it. Yeah, it's whole thing moving too much. Yeah, that's the problem. So I'm gonna move this out. Yeah, this whole thing is moving, you see? That's why it went out. Hold this. It's cold. But we should be fine.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna need paper towel. What is what do you have?
That's a man. But I did.
Where?
The plastic hose, the 1/4, this is 1/4 hose. Go around this metal thing here. So when the drum is moving, this hose is also moving. It's gonna move a little bit less. I will go from here straight to there. I won't touch this. See, because it's going in and out. And this is moving too much, or it was losing this. I don't know, also I don't know, it's like this. We're gonna wait, it's gonna finish soon, right?
Yep.
So it'd be better if this will go here. I can use this, you know.
Et the metal, right?
I will use this. Or I don't know. Oh, that should be here. And broke or something. Okay, so we're gonna put this here. Okay, like that. That would be good. My name is Bartek. You don't call me landlord. No cold, right? Nothing?
No. Queda un minute more.
The sensor or some kind of floating something sense that that the drum doesn't have a right amount of water. That's why there was a cold. Big. You got it there. Yes, I did.
Yes, so mommy can see it.
And Mommy can see everything in here.
Yeah, you put a switch there.
No, I didn't.
Nobody did.
No, the switch was already there. Can you hold this for me, please? Thank you. I want to have the. Okay. Actually, I think this would be better. So we go down and like this.
So,
So you see, you have a lot of here.
yeah.
So we won't pull it out. I don't want to connect, I think, more because yeah, like this would be fine, I think. Yeah, I will leave it like this. Yeah, nothing else. That's it.
Okay. Let's go right.
We can put this paper. This paper is actually okay for those codes. You know which code is what and which model. You have one of those three. Since we have a tape, we can connect this a little better. Okay. Okay, my screws. My screwdriver. This one. Excuse